Okay, so I'm halfway done, or at least 75% done with my head. Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna update when I'm done because I don't have any privacy. Okay, so I'm done, and this is how my hair looks. This is how it looks. Yeah. Um, yeah, so I'm done with that, and like I said, I don't know if I'm going to get to actually crocheting it today. Actually, hold on, let me see how this might look. Hold on. Okay, here's an update. So I did this side of my head already. Haven't gotten to the back or anything yet, but I sewed up the back of my head, and I'm starting on this side of my head now. So got the little one with me. And yeah, so this is how it's looking so far. It's very pretty color. Yeah, so I will update the progress as I go along, as always. See you later. Okay, so I am about 45 to 50% done with my hair. This is the front. I did the front except for the sides that, as you can see, that I left out earlier, because I'm going to do these individual crochet. So I'm basically going to unravel this and then just do the crochet individually, single braids. This is the back of my head. See? But I'm not done because I still have all of that to do. So, and then I have some sides to do on the side of my head. But so far so good. It's beautiful. Like, I'm looking at me now and I'm like, this is nice. I love it. There's one or two things that I definitely would have done differently if I would have known better. But since this is my first time, my first go at it, I think that I did really good. I don't think I did bad at all. And I'm going to discuss later in the video what I would have done differently, or what I would suggest you all do differently, or whatnot. So yeah, so that is the progression so far. Beautiful color. And I will come back when I'm done completely with my crochet Senegalese twist. So stay tuned. Okay, so guys, I'm late getting back to you guys. This is the finished product of my hair. Don't mind my little, this is some sulfur treatment for my little pimples that I got. But this is the come on my hair. Yes, I'm loving it. It's so pretty. So Believe it or not, I'm not even really like 100% done. There's like a little few in betweens that I need to kink out or whatever and fill in. But overall, I love it. So, crochet Senegalese twist. The color is beautiful. The color is gorgeous and something different. I really do like bold colors like this when I'm doing my hair. So